Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Heather and this is Heather's Hauls. Today I'm going to show you guys my Dollar Tree haul, and I want to show you some items that I picked up at Ross. A few videos ago, if you check back, I took you guys with me to Ross, but I haven't showed you what I bought from them yet, and there's some really awesome items, so I wanted to share them with you. But first, I do want to talk to you guys. First of all, I'm thinking about when we get to 500 subscribers. I'm at 300 right now. When we get to 500, I am going to do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Look out for my video. Probably around the 400 mark, I'll post a video and I'll give you all the instructions. But when I reach the 500, I'll be doing an awesome giveaway. You guys won't be disappointed, so don't miss that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. When you hit that notification bell, it pops my video up on your phone when I post a video, so don't miss that. Next, I did start a Facebook group, and it is a Dollar Tree group. The link will be down below. I just started it. It's going to be a place for people who love Dollar Tree, where you want to post your finds, your DIYs. You can even post if you do YouTube Dollar Tree, it'll be everything Dollar Tree related. And I would love for you guys to help me grow that group, and we can all become our own little family. With that, I also started an Instagram for Dollar Tree. I'm posting tons of stuff on there that I don't show in my videos. Also that link will be down below for that as well. All right, guys, I think that's it. So I first want to show you my stuff from Ross. I first picked up, because if you guys have seen my past video, you know that I started back at the gym, and I picked up these cute leggings. Hope you guys can see those, but I am loving how it has that print inside there, but this added extra little crisscross, and then it has the matching at the bottom, and they are so cute. I think I paid like $9.99 for these, and these weren't any name brand. It says Better Sports Performance. I don't know, but yeah, so I got those for $9.99. Then I grabbed another pair, and these were actually BCBG. These, I think I paid $12.99, but what I loved about these was it has like that kind of fake leather look, but it has the side pocket, and my phone fits in there perfectly. So, and they're have kind of like the breathable fabric right here where you can see, and I think it goes up. Yeah, it goes up the whole leg, so, and it's not like that drastically see-through or anything, but it's nice because it's breathable. But it does have pockets on both sides, so that is that. And again, I'm pretty sure I paid about $12.99 or something like that for these. And for BCBG, you know that it's really good fabric. Then I grabbed this cutest top. How cute is that? I'm loving, if you can see, the little crisscross design in the front. But yeah, and I think that I think this was only $9.99. So yeah, so I grabbed that. And then every season, fall season, I'm always grabbing these cute little jackets from Ross. I have a collection of them, and this one was like the camouflage. And I loved how this part hangs down. It has the hood, and it's just a long jacket here. And I paid $14.99 for this one. So hopefully you guys can see that. But I love their little jackets, and they're so affordable. But Ross is one of my favorite stores. I like it more than TJ Maxx. I don't know, I find more at Home Goods than any other stores. So those were my finds from Ross. Now let's start with Dollar Tree. I picked up the cute pumpkins. These are just so cute. I'm loving that velvet, and you can there's a lot of DIYs that are floating around YouTube where they're taking the stem off and then adding their own fabric. Some people are using old sweaters and making it like a sweater pumpkin, which was really cute. So I grabbed those, and if you can see here, I didn't know this did this until I got home. But look at how cute that is for $1. Oh my gosh, I love it. And yeah, I didn't know until I got home. I knew it did something. I just thought it lit up. I didn't know it was different colors and flashing, but I'm gonna have to go back and grab some more of those. And then I did grab this cute sign, "Beware the Wicked Witch and her little monsters live here." That is so darling, and it does have a little thing there for you to, a hook to hang it up if you like, but I just love that. And then I found another one. It's Trick or Treat. These are really nicely made, you guys. Like I said, I'm not a big knick-knacky person unless I think it's like, I just think these are really nice quality that are coming from the Dollar Tree. So I did pick up a couple of those. Then I did grab one of these. I'm trying to move this year. If it's not this year, it's gonna be the beginning of next year. But I was like, how cute would these be out like in the backyard? You can even hang these from like trees and light them if you're having a party, anything. But I did pick up some of the tea lights. This says it has 240 total hours. So I bought those to put in these, and these are just really cute. So I grabbed some of those, and I think that's all for the fall stuff. But I did find Campbell's Chunky. This is like the big 15.25 ounces. And this one was the baked potato with cheddar and bacon bits. And then I found the Campbell's Slow Kettle Style Mediterranean Vegetable Soup. So I grabbed some of those. I haven't seen those there at the Dollar Tree. So next I grabbed some of they've been doing these little fingernail polish sets, and I always love these colors. Let's see. They do take these boxes like, all right, so these are the colors, and I love those neutral tones. So I love that there's this nice little 3-pack, and they had like 20 different sets, and they were all different colors. There wasn't any that were the same color, so I grabbed the only one that was this neutral. And then I found these beautiful red and pinks, and they have a shimmer to them. How pretty are those? But yeah, for $1, for 3 of those was a really good deal. Then I found this coconut oil. I haven't seen this there. It's by Via Natural Ultra Care Coconut Oil. And it says that you can promote stronger, shinier, and healthier hair, and moisturizes skin, cuticles, and nails. And I love putting stuff on my cuticles. So, and I'm not sure how I feel about the hair, but I'm gonna read about it and see if any of you guys have tried that. But coconut oil on your hair, let me know. I'm not sure how that would react, if it makes it oily or does it dry up real well. But yeah, so I picked up that. We'll see how that is. And then I just picked up a book for notes and stuff. But if you've seen my past video, or if you've been to Dollar Tree, you know they had these pen sets. There was 3 of them. I think the other one's in my car that matches this book. But it was cute. I thought, this is the first time I've seen it. If I'd seen it before, I would have grabbed it with the pens, but I like things to be matchy, so I grabbed it. Then I picked up just a cuticle cutters. The one I have here at home is all dull, and so I just threw it away and picked up a new one. I have no idea if it's sharp or if it works well, but I just grabbed it. Then I picked up some more of the eyelashes by the Ayani. These are the 3D Box Mink lashes. So they are, this one says Gabriella and Esmeralda. So they had a whole display of all of these new ones that were out. So I just grabbed a few because I like wearing eyelashes. Then they had some Kodiak, which I haven't seen before. That's an old name. Some Kodiak batteries. I grabbed a pack of those. And now that my hair is getting a little longer, I can actually put it in a little ponytail. So I just picked up a little 3-pack of these. And then, if you see my past video, you know too that I am going crazy for this Wet n Wild foundation. I love it. So I have been picking up a couple every time I find them. I've been using the Nude Beige, and this stuff is just, I love it. The little sponge that it comes with, the applicator, it really helps apply the makeup very well. I'm really impressed with Wet n Wild on this product, and it does say contains natural coconut. Okay, well, there you go. So if you guys find this, find your color and get it, and I would grab a couple because you won't be disappointed. I promise you, you're gonna like it. Then I found this cute little hair clip. It came in like that. It was cute. It's metal and, well, it's plastic, but it feels like a real durable metal piece. But I like to clip my hair up, and so I just grabbed one. Actually, I lied. The last fall item I did pick up this cute little mat just to put at my front door, my back door, but it was too cute to pass up. I picked up a cute little scarecrow hanging thing to put on my front door, and I thought that this would be cute to go with it for fall, so I grabbed that. All right, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned for my future videos. Again, please, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. Those likes really do help my video out, and also hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more. And don't forget to look down below in my description, and please join the Facebook group and my Instagram page and share it out. Share the Facebook group out to your friends, your neighbors, family, and if whoever that you know that loves the Dollar Tree and would like to interact and share your purchases. And yeah, so that's all. And stay tuned for the future video for my giveaway at the 500 subscribers. All right, guys, have a great rest of your week and stay tuned for more videos.